everyone, I am Swati. I have completed MCA in KU University. After graduation, academic skill is not enough. That's why I joined Paperlive learning. From the beginning, the training was very easy to understand. The mentor are very helpful, and they helped to clear my doubts. And we worked in real life project and practical labs, and it helps to improve my skills. After that, I get 4 to 5 mock interview. This helps me to real life mock interview, and then they give feedbacks, and they helps to enhance my technical skills. Thank you for Paperline Learning and mentors to get a job in cloud engineer.